Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. Recently, a pancake cereal idea went viral on TikTok. The recipe itself is basically a simple pancake batter, and all you need to do is make them small and then eat the mini pancakes like a bowl of cereal. I decided to change it up a bit by adding cocoa powder and matcha powder. Matcha is another name for green tea. The chocolate mini pancakes and matcha mini pancakes tasted delicious on its own and can be eaten as a snack. I only used 6 ingredients for this recipe, and I put the recipe on my website sugarcoder.com as well as in the video description. When you make the mini pancakes, I highly recommend making them at least a quarter size because it is easier to flip. So have you ever had chocolate pancakes or matcha pancakes before? Let me know what you think about it. And if you like this video, please share it with others and press like. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.